Jai Gurudev, my name is Abhigna. I study in grade 5. My topic is Darwin's theory of evolution, multicellular organisms. Darwin, person behind the theory of evolution, was an English naturalist biologist. He proposed that all species of life have descended over time and are considered a foundational concept in science. The four main ideas behind the theory of evolution are: individual species are identical, traits are passed from generation to generation, more offsprings are born than they can survive, only survivors for the competition of natural resources will be able to reproduce. After the formation of Earth, the first bacteria was formed around 3.5 billion years ago. Later, unicellular organisms slowly transformed into multicellular organisms around 600 million years ago. Later, algae, reptiles, birds, and mammals were formed. Humans took the center stage with organs and the organ system in the body. In this picture, we can clearly see how a human has been formed throughout its stages. And in this picture, we can see how multicellular organisms are formed in plants and in humans. Multicellular organisms. Charles Darwin, the person behind evolution throughout natural selection, he was a British biologist. Darwin's theory of evolution, as descent with modification, was an outstanding theory. The theory that all species of life can evolve, change, and better adapt to its environment was interesting. Organisms throughout nature evolved through unicellular to multicellular to reptiles, birds, mammals, and humans, and so on. Many research scientists say that the first known single-celled organism was formed around 3.8 billion years ago. Many more complex life forms took longer to evolve, as the first multicellular animal did not evolve until 600 million years ago. Multicellular traits are effective against production against predation. These three are examples of unicellular organism. This is amoeba, paramecium, and this is a eukaryotic cell. Thank you.